Harry Potter, that pataka putaka tapa and something comes out, it is all just eyewash. It doesn't really happen, that yeah, just animation. And some mantra he chants, no Harry Potter, then some spataka, something he chants. I don't know what it is. Some funny thing he chants. And it happens. And it is not real. It is not real. And we believe that, We believe Spider-Man. And we believe Superman. And what does the Spider-Man do? He wears innerwear on top of the pant. Jetty on top of the pant. Right? So funny he is. Yeah, but Hanuman and these people were real. They are not like this Harry Potter magic and animation. They were real. Right? And Dasharatha and the ministers told Dasharatha, Arey, don't deny, don't say no to Vishwamitra. Vishwamitra himself can easily kill Tadaka. Still he has come all the way to our palace and asking our help. That means there is something is there. Better you send. Then Dasharatha was so scared how to send my son. I love my son so much, how he will go to battlefield. All the demons, Rakshasas and Rakshasis will be shooting arrows. Whether my son can withstand, whether my son can fight. Then minister said, don't worry Maharaja, just send Ram. And Dasharatha called Ram. Ram was just a small boy. Finished his schools and he's come back to palace. And Dasharatha asked, Ram, are you willing to go? Ram said, yes, I'm going. Because Ram was so confident. Ram wanted to serve this sage. Ram wanted to serve Guru Vishwamitra. Whatever it is, because my Guru had said this, I wanted to do. Ram said, yes. Then immediately Lakshmana said, I'm also going to go with Ram. I'm not going to leave Ram alone. I'm also going to walk. Right? And both of them, young boys, majestic, royal, brilliant boys with bows and arrows, and they started following Vishwamitra, went to jungle. Then Ram and Lakshman sat down and Vishwamitra and his disciples started doing puja, mantra, all that puja, swaha, aha, oho, puja was going on. Then when the puja was going on, again Tadaka came in between. She started screaming and flying up in the sky, and Tadaka started pouring blood and flesh. And immediately Ram got up, chanted some prayers and shot his celestial special weapon, and that killed Tadaka, and her two sons ran away. See now, the secret is, do you think Vishwamitra can't kill Tadaka? Can Vishwamitra kill Tadaka or no? Yes or no? Very easily. Correct. Yes, right answer. Not exactly power. He wanted to check Ram's obedient nature. He wanted to see how obedient is Ram. How Ram is listening. How Ram is willing to serve. So just wanted to check that. Yes, right answer. Just wanted to check. Then that day night, Vishwamitra called. Then he called Ram and Lakshman and said, I will tell you a secret mantra. And this mantra is called Aditya Hridaya Mantra. That secret mantra, Aditya means sun. Aditya Hridaya Mantra, the sun mantra. Very secret sun mantra. Vishwamitra taught Ram and Lakshman. That means they can take any iron metal, anything. You can take your car tire, that disc or you can take your refrigerator, or you can take a bird. You can take any iron metal and chant a mantra, and that will turn into a weapon, and you can throw it on your enemy. What a miraculous weapon they got. Ram and Lakshman got this weapon, all celestial, beautiful weapons. And later on, when Ram was fighting with Ravana, he used these weapons. So, Vishwamitra just wanted to check how obedient the student. So, the Guru will put all kinds of tests. Like Arjuna, he got the test of blocking the water, which he was not capable of doing. Still, he tried. Guru became very happy. Here, Ram and Lakshmana, they went and tried killing Dwadaka. Vishwamitra became very happy. So if you want to become masters in this world, if you want to become expert in this world, if you want to become the best and perfect in this world, we should learn the trick of pleasing our guru, teacher. Last session we saw the value of parents, and in this session we are discussing the value of teacher, because in your heart you have the talent. All of you, all of you, Saurish, Vrinda, Darsh, Jash, Anantajit, Anirudh, you have all Rishabh, you all have the talents in your heart. The box is locked and the talents are kept inside the box. And the key is with Guru. Who is having the key? Guru is having the key. Yeah, but the talent is hidden in your heart. Now, Guru should come to you and open your heart, then the talents will come out. And what is your talent? Some of them are wonderful musicians, some of them are wonderful managers, some of them are great leaders, some of them are great cooks, some of them are great dancers, some of them are engineers, pilot, aeronautic, astronomy, all that talent. Some people are great devotees. These talents are hidden in the heart and the box is locked. And who is having the key? Who is having the key? Who is? Yeah, Guru is having the key. So just by pleasing, satisfying, one day he will come and open your Pandora box, like that. And dish, light will come and you will all turn into experts. The same thing happened to Rama's children, Lava. Yes, Saurish, you are right. Rama's children, Lava and Kusha. Who is Lava Kusha? Who's Rama's sons? Lava Kush, you heard them, Lava Kush. Okay. Who is Guru of Lava Kush? Yes, you all have heard. Thank you. Very good answer. Correct. Valmiki. True. Right answer. Valmiki. So these two twin boys, they were learning very obedient to Valmiki. And Valmiki told Lava Kush, you should never tell this secret outside. You are sons of Ram. Whenever people ask you who are you, you should say you are students of Valmiki. You should never say you are sons of Ram. Such a big promise Valmiki took from Lava Kush. And Lava Kush, from the day 1 up to their age 12, they kept that secret. They never told anybody. Imagine if we get a secret, what we will do? Immediately call all of our friends. You know what happened? This happened. You know that? I know this. This is what happened. I know. Taka 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 taka. We will tell everybody. We will publish them. Right? But Guru took a promise from these tiny boys, Lava Kush. They were so young, small boys. And Valmiki said, never open your mouth. If anybody asks you, who are you? You should tell we are students of Valmiki. Never tell them that you are sons of Ram. Even though that is such a heavy thing, because they love their father Ram and they wanted to tell the whole world, we are sons of Ram. They wanted to say this, but they kept quiet because Guru wanted them to be quiet. And 12 years they kept quiet. And the end of 12th year, the whole world came to know that Lava Kush are the sons of Ram. The whole world came to know, right? And Valmiki blessed them with so many weapons and mantras. They got all mystical weapons and mantras. So this is the lesson. Last lesson was valuing our parents. And the present lesson is we should respect and satisfy our teachers even though they are little angry even though they are very upset with you, even though they scream and yell and shout at you, even though sometimes they show anger, we should always respect teachers. And once you respect teachers, they have the secret key to come and open your Pandora box in your heart, and you will get all kinds of magical, miraculous experiences.